Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to my 2783rd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. So, traders, I spent the entire weekend, especially all day Sunday, doing analysis, printing charts, getting ready to do a video in front of the camera. I called my videographer a few moments ago, and he's in California. So I'll be doing one of these Camtasia shoots instead. Hopefully he'll be home, and I'll get in front of the camera tomorrow evening. The information, I assure you, will be just as riveting. Risky trading is risky of any nature. Never trade anything, stocks, commodities, ETFs, crypto. Never trade any vehicle without putting in your protective stops, and always put them in first before you begin to trade. You'll live a lot longer in this industry if you heed that warning. Watch the risk, put your stops in first. So, this video coming at you on a Sunday night for Sunday Monday. That's August 5th, 2024. Let's see what's going on out there. I left you with a video a few days back saying this is a very interesting spot. Let's see what it's going to do there. And this is what happened since the market broke down big time, as you've seen on Friday. Now let's take this out to a weekly. This is your E-mini S&P. Look at this on the weekly. Broke a serious support line, kids. All right, so we got a little bit of downside coming, and we'll trade it that way. We'll sell the rallies, and whatever we get out of it, we'll get. Omni loves the downside. It loves the upside. It doesn't matter to Omni. So we will take this one day at a time, even though that's a weekly chart. But weekly and daily E-mini S&P has breached support. So we've seen S&P. Let's go look elsewhere. Traders, I have shown you this chart in videos for the last few years. And I contend that when we have a repetitive pattern, bounce off the support, bounce off the support, bounce off the support, a repetitive pattern, it just continues to repeat until it stops repeating, right? Then it's finally no longer valid. So this pattern I showed you last week and said the Fed's about to meet. It's another do or die juncture. The last do or die juncture held well. We're going to get another do-or-die juncture when the Fed meets Tuesday and Wednesday. The Fed did meet. Remember, this is a weekly chart, so every bar represents 1 week's worth of trading. And this is what happened. Look, I'm going to blow this up for you, if it'll allow me to. There we go. Look at the NASDAQ weekly. You are below the average and below the trend line. After the Fed met, the do-or-die juncture looks like it is not holding as well as it did last time. So we've got that going on. And let's see what else we have for you in this video. We've got, boom, the Dow Jones Transportation Average. 4 failed attempts. And then the breakdown starts to take place. And look, now we're below the 200-bar moving average. All right, so we got a downward segment coming our way, and that's what we'll just deal with it. We don't care up, down. We're day traders. We don't hold long-term positions. It does not matter to us if it's up or down. Just want to show you what's going on out there. So the Omni, of course, is selling rallies for trading on Sunday, Monday in U.S. indices. Then we had Bitcoin. Traders, remember this? Let's go to Bitcoin here. We had a do-or-die moment. What will happen up here? Video after video. When it gets there, what will happen? It failed once again miserably. Like it did here. Like it did here. Like it did here. And it failed once again miserably. And in fact, if I update this chart, you want to see where we are on Bitcoin right now? We have filled this gap. Look, the gap would be here. We have filled the gap. We're below the gap at this point. So Bitcoin has filled the gap and will likely end up coming at least to the 200-bar moving average and then down here where it should probably hold the bottom of the flag. So we've got a lot to look forward to. We've got a lot going on this week. But here's what I do want to tell you, traders. Do not get nervous. Let me show you something right now. I believe I have it on. I think it's here. Let me just show you a note that I wrote to myself, and we will absolutely act upon this note later this week. Later this week, let me show you that there is no need to panic. The market is pulling back Okay, so it's pulling back. It's customary. It happens in bull markets. I will offer charts later this week that will absolutely counteract the stock market's recent drop. You will see those charts. You will believe those charts. As day traders, however, we will take this one day at a time, and we will worry about selling rallies for Sunday night, Monday. And as the week progresses, we'll go over some charts to show you that this is merely a pullback and to not lose your heads. Okay, don't panic. So that'll be later during the week. Subscribe to my videos right now so that you do not miss them when they come out. Subscribe at livewithoscar.com. And also subscribe to this YouTube channel so you'll be notified each and every video as they come out. All right, traders, that's it for the beginning of the week. Watch out for what I showed you. We got some action turning up. We got some markets moving quickly. Make sure you're using wide stops. Watch the volatility. And join me at livewithoscar.com. I'll be sure to help you get through this madness. Remember, kids, say this to yourselves over and over again because I know it will help. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders, that's the truth. Do not get nervous. We've got charts to counteract this whole down move, one day at a time. Subscribe to livewithoscar.com. Like and share these videos all over the internet. And I will see you in my live trading room. Good luck out there, traders.